Hello friends, in this video, I am going to teach you how to scan thousands of Facebook group IDs in just 1 minute. First, enter the keywords you want to scan. For example, I will scan groups that include the words Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai. I will enter them into the software and save. Then, press the Start button. After this, the software will automatically scan the groups embedded with these words on Facebook. Let's see, this will be completed in just a few seconds. When the software completes the scan, I export the data to view it in an Excel file. In this, I will get the group, a group name, group type, public or private, post approval status, number of group members, and the group link. If you want to use this software, message me immediately.